So, a screwdriver dealer in Onitsha was able to convince President Donald Trump to bomb terrorist hideouts in Sokoto. A screwdriver dealer. A screwdriver dealer was able to convince the whole United States that has FBI, CIA, and other secret security agencies to bomb Nigeria. What Tinubu's government cannot do does not exist. Now, this is a country that wasted, this is a government that wasted $9 million on to lobby the US government to change the narrative about Christian genocide in the country. The same government planted a petty story on New York Times telling people that the Igbos were responsible for the bombing of Nigeria in the north. That a screwdriver dealer in Onitsha convinced Trump to bomb Nigeria. What kind of nonsense is this? How is that even possible? That a government has singled out a particular people, a particular tribe, to blame them for Nigeria's insecurity in the north. How? That a screwdriver dealer was able to do a story or put out a social media post that convinced President Trump to bomb Nigeria, when in the Middle Belt, Plateau, Benue, Nasarawa, all the Middle Belt areas have been crying about killings and conducting mass burial all over the place with Riley Moore and Mark Arnold and some other US citizens visiting Nigeria to see things for themselves. Then a screwdriver dealer in Onitsha could now convince Trump to bomb Nigeria. This is insane in 2026.